Hello, this short video is just to demonstrate the new synchronization tools that are in Trimble Business Center version 2024 and in Trimble Access version 2024. Now I'm just going to demonstrate this using this little project I've got here. We've got some existing line work and then some modified drainage. So if I'm in the office and the engineer in the field doesn't have the modified drainage and I want to send it to him, I'm just going to go to the Home tab and I'm going to export. I want to export a DXF and I'll just switch off this existing here so we're just left with the drainage, and then select the drainage that I want to export out, and I'm just going to call it SW drainage. I'll just get my caps lock sorted out. SW drainage DXF. Instead of going the usual approach of exporting and then dealing with a locally exported file, I'm just going to use a remote save. And the remote save uses the Trimble Connect. So to access Trimble Connect, you need to sign in with your Trimble ID, and I've signed in up here. And I have to do that on the controller if I'm in the field, and I have to do it on TBC if I'm in the office. So if I'm in the office, I just go remote save. And it opens up my Connect workspace, and I can see the different projects I've got here. So I can find the one I want to use, which is the Connect project demo. And there is existing files in there, and I just want to add to upload a revised version. So we've got this SW drainage here, and I'm going to save that. So it gets uploaded to the cloud. So it's up to the engineer in the field now to access that. So if you're in the field, you're running Trimble Access, and you can see here these are the projects that I have locally stored on my controller. And I need to access the Connect workspace, so I'm going to use this button and sign in. So I'll just scoosh this signing in page out of the way a bit. And then I'll sign in here. And then on your controller in the field, you can see your locally stored jobs and the projects that are on the cloud. So if I wanted to get access to the files and the jobs for this project, I would just select it and download it to my controller. However, I want to use this one. If I select this project, I can go up here and look at the settings. And it shows me that there is a Connect file available. So I'll go back to the properties and I'll just download that. And it tells me here that the version I have on my controller is version 2, but the version in the cloud is version 3. So I want to download version 3 so that it becomes my local version as well. So I'm going to download that and accept. And then I'll go into the project and I'll go into the job that I want to use, and I can see my my new drainage file in here. Now if I wanted to take it, one or two measurements, only take measurements, I'll just key in a few points. So there's ground point 6 I'll store at, and then 7 and 8. So I've got some information that might be needed back in the office. So I can go to my job and go upload. And this will upload this job up onto the cloud. Back in the office, if I wanted to access that job, I would go to the Connected Workspace. Takes me back into Trimble Connect in the cloud. I would open this up and I can see the jobs that were on the controller. This is the most recent. I'm going to select that. I can see my 5 points around here, and I'm going to import it back into TBC. And there's my points that I just keyed in. So that might be the information that is needed back in the office. So version 2024.0 Access and Trimble Business Center has really streamlined and simplified this process. Thanks.